Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important and basic Java entry question. In Java, will the code in the finally block be called and run after a return statement is executed? So the context here is I have a try catch finally block, and in the try block there is a return statement and there is a finally block also. So the question here is, will this return directly from here or finally block executed or not? The answer is finally block will always be executed irrespective of whether there is a return statements or they are throwing an exception. Finally block will always be executed. Only in two cases it will not be executed. The two cases are whenever you call system.exit before the final block, it will not be executed, and if the JVM crashes, finally block will not be executed. So these are the two scenarios where finally block will not be executed. Otherwise, finally block will always be executed. Let's run this program and understand in a better way. So I'm going to run this, debugging started. So I'm going to call this method. It comes directly to finally block. It comes directly to finally block. Okay. Then whenever I run this, it goes to return statement. Then it prints the 100. So finally block first, then it goes to return statement, and then exits. So return, though we have a return statement in the try block, finally block will always be executed. Hope this interview question is useful. Thank you and all the best.